Hello everyone, today I want to talk to you about dental anxiety. It's a very common concern among patients. We get them all the time. I mean, after all, who loves coming to the dentist, right? I always get those, oh, I hate going to the dentist. So let's go ahead and talk about some tips that could probably help you make your dental appointment better. I would recommend is for you to communicate this with your dentist, right? It's very important. That way they'll be ready for you. They'll know that you have dental anxiety and that they have to take special care of you. Maybe talking about it will ease that anxiety. And if you and your dentist can figure out what's the cause of this anxiety, it's gonna be a very big help. I know some people are afraid of needles. Others are just afraid of pain, right? They're afraid that they might experience pain. Others, for the most part, also is a past traumatic dental experience. They had a bad experience when they were maybe kids, and then after that they just got traumatized. So communication is key. The other thing is that if you schedule your appointments in the morning, that's also gonna help a lot. That way you're not anticipating your dental appointment. You're not thinking, oh my God, I have my dental appointment at 4 p.m. today. And you're thinking about it all day long. So I would recommend for you to schedule early appointments. Even if you're like the first patient of the day, that's even better. So go ahead and think about that one. Also, distractions, right? Music's great because most people fear the drilling noise. So if you can bring your headphones and just listen to music while we're working on you, that's a very big help. Some patients really find that helpful. Also, meditation and deep breathing. There's a book that I read recently that says how we forget how to breathe, especially when we go under stressful situations. So the very first thing that we have to remember is just breathe. Like, it just makes you feel better. It just calms you down automatically. So focus on breathing. If you know how to meditate, I would suggest for you to try to do a meditation as well. Maybe you can request for frequent breaks also. Some people, it's just that they get tired of being laying down. Some people have back problems, right? So just make sure that you communicate your needs to your dentist, and that way maybe your experience will be better. Some things that we like to do here at Blyss Dental is number one, well, we take pride of being very gentle with our patients, right? So we try to be as gentle as possible. That way we avoid having any sort of pain or discomfort during your treatments. Also, we try to not rush your appointments. So you can get your breaks in between treatment. And that way we're not like rushing and we have to get you out of the door at a certain time, right? So we take our time with our patients, and we make sure you're not waiting in before your appointment there. We try to be on time. That way our patients get seen at the time that they were scheduled, and that helps with that anticipation. I cannot imagine being nervous and sitting there for 30 minutes or so in the waiting room. Well, I wouldn't do that to you. Also, sometimes we have this little one. This little one, she can come to the office, and there's studies that show that if people get to pet dogs or animals, it tends to calm them down. So if you feel that it would help, we can definitely bring her to the office that day, and you can play with her before your treatment, and that way it might help ease your anxiety levels. The other option is also to pre-med, right? We can prescribe a medication for you that can help ease that nervousness, and you can take it before your appointment, and that way you can be more calm during your treatment. Another point I want to mention is that prevention is key, right? Why wait till something hurts? If you don't go and visit the dentist, then problems are gonna arise. And yes, maybe that cavity that could be just a filling is gonna turn into a root canal, or worst case, extraction. So it'll be more expensive, treatments will be longer. So just try to visit your dentist at least once a year, and that way you can prevent future problems. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer them, and I hope to meet you soon. Thank you.